thing I keep getting told over and over again is that our products can't do what we say they can do, and that our products can't contain what we say they can contain. And it's really interesting to me that people would just come out and say that. But the interesting thing is when we have experts talk to myself and take a look at our products, then they get into the details, then they are like, this is one of the most incredible products out there and something that can really make a difference as we transition away from synthetic fertilizers and try and make our own homes and gardens and farms a little more sustainable and start sequestering carbon. So how do they know that our products are that effective, and what are they seeing out there that says, hey, you can't do this, or that your products are actually really special? And so a lot of what we do is we combine a lot of different products together. So we have both macronutrients and micronutrients, as well as microbes and beneficial non-plant food ingredients. So a lot of fertilizer is just macronutrients. You'll find some specialty fertilizer that's just micronutrients. And then emerging onto the scene today is microbes. And so most of the liquid products out there contain maybe 1 to 3 strains of different bacterias. Mostly focused on nitrogen fixing, but there are some carbon sequestration bacteria products out there. What makes us so different is we have over 250 different strains of live bacteria and fungi in our products. We breed all those in-house. We've had them tested with third-party labs to assure what's in our bottle is what's in our bottle. And all of these different species have very different things that they're doing, very different functionalities. And so that makes us very different from the microbial products out there, but it also makes us super effective as a fertilizer. And then to cap it all off, we're also adding in beneficial non-plant food ingredients. And so that's a very fancy term, but it's also a regulated term that means it's ingredients that help with nutrient transport. It helps your plants grow better, but it's not necessarily food for your plants. And so all 4 of those parts combined make our products super unique, and the ability to combine those ingredients and make our formulas really special.